Adding vanilla Visa gift card to Oculus Quest 2 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can add when you love pizza gift card to Oculus Quest 2. Now suppose you have the Oculus glasses, we are glasses, and now you want to put a gift card to make purchase. You have to download this application on your device, which is Meta Quest. So after downloading it, you just have to open it up. After opening it up, you have to log into the same account which you have logged into your a Meta Quest VR. So after that, as you guys can see, this is what it will look. Here you have to tap on the menu, and in the menu you just have to tap on the wallet. In the wallet you just have to tap on add card, and there you go. You will easily be able to add your Visa gift card, vanilla Visa gift card right here. So that's pretty much it. I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.